beverage hunters.
I'm BrookeLynn.
I'm Landen.
And today we have a Starry Lemon Lime. This is a crisp, clear burst of lemon lime flavor with no caffeine, so caffeine free. You gonna say the rest?
Calories 224 calories.
240.
240, and that's it.
And then total sugar is 65 grams, and there's no protein obviously because it's a soda.
Some sodas do have proteins.
Okay, we're gonna open this just because he's a little bonkers right now, and I'm exceedingly tired. So here, you want to sniff? You want to sniff? I know it's good, right? Okay, Landon, you want to do the sip?
Look at that. Just tastes like Sprite. Right.
That does taste like Sprite. That tastes a lot like Sprite.
Yeah.
But I don't know. Hold on.
It has a little bit like a sparkly flavor.
It has more of a lemon flavor than Sprite does, but it's almost the same thing.
Yeah, at the end it has a big sparkly lemon flavor at the ending. That's probably why it's called.
It really does just taste like an off-brand Sprite. Like if I walked into, say, Walmart,
Yeah.
and I walked in and I saw that, I'd be like, damn, off-brand Sprite. Anyways, this drink is, I would say, a 7 out of 10. What would you say?
250. I really like the drink. Okay.
250 is a low. So 1 is bad, 10 is good.
I'll take a 8 out of 10.
Pretty damn good. Anyways, we will see you in the next episode of Beverage Hunters, and I hope you all have a great day.
Bye.
Bye now.
See you next one.
Okay, Dad, we just finished it. It's still recording though, so you have to edit this part out.
We gotta walk off stick.
Oh, bye. See you tomorrow.